In this episode, we will be learning how to change the chat background for a specific chat in the Zangi application. To change the chat background for a specific chat in the Zangi app, open the Zangi application first on your device and log into your account if necessary. You will then end up in the Chats tab as soon as you log in. Select a conversation which you want to change the background for from the conversation list. Once you open up the conversation, you will be able to see a background. If you want to change the specific chat background for a specific contact, tap on the name of the contact or the group at the top of the screen, and this will open up the info section. Go to the bottom and tap on the wallpaper option. From the wallpaper section, choose the wallpaper or the background you would like to use. From the preloaded background option available in Zangi, choose one of the preloaded backgrounds and you will be able to see the wallpaper in a closer view. To set the wallpaper, tap on Set at the top right. For those who want to add a picture from their device's camera roll, tap on Choose from Photo to upload a custom background from your phone's gallery. Now select a picture you would like to use and click on Done or Set. After you select a picture from the wallpaper section, get back to the chat thread and there you have the new background appearing in the specific chat. Any other chats on your Zangi platform will remain unaffected. So that is how you can easily change the chat background for a specific chat in Zangi. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.